In this video, let's understand the process to create a custom template and submit it for approval by Meta. In your dashboard, go to the second option, Templates. You need to enter a template name. Even if you try to add spaces in this field, it will be automatically converted to an underscore because you cannot have spaces here. So I am creating a template for abandoned cart. Category, it can be marketing or utility or authentication. In this case, Meta also has an option to change the category. If you use utility for abandoned cart, it will automatically get converted to marketing by Meta. Depending on the use case and the communication, Meta will decide whether this template falls under the utility category or marketing category. So since we know that it will be marked as marketing only, we select marketing here. Language by default is English. If you want to change that, you can. Header type, you want to add an image in the header, a video, a document, or text. It is your choice. Let's select image as the header. So here you just need to add a sample image. You can click on this choose file option, select a picture of your choice. Remember, this is a sample image, though it will be a variable which we will be explaining further how to use that. In the message content, you can type your message. So for variable 1, we may be using the person's name and then the complete message. Why we are adding these variables? Because the product will be dynamic depending on what the person added to the cart and the order value. All these are variables which we have to add, which we will be explaining further. Now, once you've typed in the whole message, we need to add sample content for all the variables that we've selected here. So for example, variable 1 is the name. Variable 2 is the product name. Variable 3 is the value of the order. Click done in the bottom. And then footer. If you want to add anything here, completely your choice, but we need to have an interactive button, which will be, in this case, it will be the complete checkout option. We need to click on this option, add button, and then from button type, select website URL, direct links. Button text can be complete checkout, or depending on the template that you're creating. From this option, website URL, select the option dynamic and just leave this default URL that you're seeing here, because this is a process which we will be finishing in the next step. Once you've completed the entire form, click on this option, create template at the bottom. So the template has been created and already submitted for approval to Meta. You can preview it by clicking this eye icon here. This may take up to 24 hours for Meta to approve your message. Once approved, we can create a campaign using this template, which we will be explaining in the next video.